What is up, guys? TechRex here. In this video I've got a beast. This is the new Galaxy S7 Edge, and I want to show you guys a little bit here in detail. This thing is amazing. This is the titanium silver color, 40% improved battery life, better camera, micro SD expansion. This is water resistant again. This is amazing. There's the Edge. I want to show you guys. Oof. Look at those Edge features. You have your news. You can just check what's going on Yahoo quickly. Absolutely amazing. Guys, it's our yearly tradition. We have to do it. Let's go ahead and do the normal knife and hammer test. I'm pretty sure nothing really is going to happen with the knife, but we do it anyways. And I remember the S6 Edge, it actually survived it didn't survive, but it held up very, very, very well, especially with the hammer. So let's go ahead and try with this knife. Because this is how we do it here. We don't do any minor knife scratch test. Okay. So far, so good. I like it. Let's go ahead and try this side. Because the side always gets you. Oh yeah. Whew. That was pretty crazy right there. I want to show you. Yeah, so visible markings, permanent. Okay, I think that's enough for the knife. Let's move on to what we're waiting for. Again, everything is still, of course, fully functional. It's going to be working. It's going to be flawless. Now I'm going to do in a similar fashion as I did with the S6 Edge. So I'm going to just drop it. It's a 2.5 pounds just to see, because I remember it survived those little like 1-inch, 2-inch drops, just to see, because I did this before. So, okay. So just testing it out. Yeah, that's kind of normal, because that's what happened last time. Okay. So now we're gonna go ahead and do a little more powerful hits. Okay. So let's see, does this thing, oh, a little warm to the touch. I like the design. A little bit of a funky smell, but I think it's still working, so that's the issue here. And you can see, ever since I did the hammer test on the S6 Edge, Samsung has really been stepping up their game. It's taking me numerous of hits, and these are medium to large force hits, you know, and it's amazing that it's still breathing. I'm going to show you this in full detail. So let's go ahead and just keep going. Make sure it's on focus. Okay, whoa. Man, now it's really spazzing out here. Wow, check that out, guys. Ooh, that looks pretty awesome. What if I press this button right here? Okay. The back is shattered. It's good to know. Okay. A little bit more. Let's try this top bar right here. It's untouched. Ooh, this bottom part is what keeps getting effed up. It's pretty amazing. Ooh. Is that it? Oh no, it's not. Oh. Okay, let's finish this. And you can see how hard I'm hitting this at this point, and it still flickers on and off. It's simply amazing. Okay. I think that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. This S7 Edge is very, very hot now. And no battery explosion. Very happy. Oh! I'm hearing inflating. As soon as I'm saying that, I'm hearing inflating. Oh, yeah, I smell that. I smell that. Oh, check that out, guys. Check that out, guys. Whew. Hands are shaking. Oh, it's coming out of there. Ooh. Honestly, guys, it smells like cranberry pie. I kid you not. Okay, guys, so I'm going to wrap it up right here. This is probably the worst smelling battery I've ever smelled smashing any kind of phone. I don't know why. This one specifically. No major explosion, but I'm trying not to breathe. This thing smells like tart. I don't know, like pure tart. So I'm going to put it outside and stop messing with it. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, stay tuned for more videos, and peace out.